Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to do perfect squats. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Squats are one of the most popular exercises out there, and rightly so. A squat is a functional movement that helps you build muscle, gain strength and burn fat all at once. What more could you ask for? To do a proper squat, your body recruits several major muscle groups. The regular variation of the squat targets your quadriceps, hips, glutes, hamstrings, and core muscles. Each of these muscle groups is essential in aiding functional movement. But have you ever thought that what is the perfect form of doing squats? In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you all tips about performing this perfect exercise. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The squat is considered a compound movement, meaning it works for multiple muscle groups across multiple joints. The primary muscles involved in the movement are your quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thighs, and your glutes, your butt muscles. On the eccentric part of the move, or the lowering portion of the squat, the muscles in your hamstrings and your hip flexors fire too. Squats also work the muscles around the knee, which helps build strength and prevent injury. Become a bodyweight squat pro and you'll be ready to move on to weighted squats in no time. Just follow these steps. Stand tall. Before you squat, you should get in proper squat position. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. There's no set rule for the exact positioning of your feet. It'll vary depending upon anatomical differences, but a good guideline is for them to turn out anywhere between 5 and 30 degrees. So rather than pointing straight ahead, your feet will turn out slightly, but how much they do will depend on your particular comfort level and mobility. So, stand with feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, hips stacked over knees and knees over ankles. Correct your posture. Roll shoulders back and down away from ears. Allowing your back to round like a turtle's shell will cause unnecessary stress on your lower back. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Get your arms ready. Extend arms out straight in front of you, parallel to the floor, palms facing down like your hands are on someone's shoulders at a 7th grade dance. Or, if it's more comfortable, pull elbows close to the body, with palms facing each other and thumbs pointing up. Hinge at your hips. Initiate the movement by inhaling and unlocking your hips, bringing them back slightly. Keep sending hips backward as knees bend. Broaden across your chest. While your butt starts to stick out, make sure your chest and shoulders stay upright and your back stays straight. Keep your head facing forward with eyes straight ahead for a neutral spine. Your upper body also matters for squats. Keep your chest up, your chest proud. This will prevent your shoulders and upper back from rounding, a common mistake, which could overstress your spine, especially if you are squatting with weight on your back. Get low. The best squats are the deepest ones your mobility allows. Optimal squat depth would be your hips sinking below your knees if you have the flexibility to do so comfortably. Explode upward. Engage your core. With body weight in heels, explode back up to standing, driving through heels. Imagine your feet are spreading the floor, left foot to the left, right foot to the right, without actually moving them. Squatting onto a box until your butt gently taps it will be a reminder to squat low. Screw your feet into the floor. Dialing your feet into the ground helps engage your muscles, improve alignment, and create stability with the ground. It'll also help keep your arches from collapsing, which can make your knees more likely to cave inward when you squat. This is what's known as knee valgus. Initiate the movement. When you're ready to squat, think about starting the movement by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Engage your core for the descent, and keep it braced throughout the move. Pause when you reach parallel. As for when you should stop the move, there's lots of discussion about how low you should squat, but the average exerciser should shoot to hit parallel depth with their squats. That means the back of your thighs will be parallel to the floor. Some people have difficulty getting to parallel because of lack of mobility or injury, and if that's the case, it's better to end the squat at whatever depth is pain-free for you. But sometimes people default to quarter squats because they're using too much weight. If that's the case, easing off the weight and performing the full range of motion for the move is optimal. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, pause for a second so you are not using momentum to push yourself back up. You can also increase the length of your pause to add difficulty to the move. When you stand, drive through your heels. Make sure your feet stay planted throughout the squat, paying particular attention to driving through your heels on the way back up. This will fire up your posterior chain, the muscles in the back of your body, like your hamstrings and glutes. Some people have a tendency to pick up their toes when they're focusing on driving through their heels, but you really want to make sure your entire foot stays firmly on the ground. Your big toe is actually really important in glute activation. You should also exhale on your way back up. Making sure you breathe throughout the move, inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up is vital. You definitely do not want to be holding your breath. Finish strong. At the top of the squat, try to tuck your pelvis into a neutral position. Think of it as bringing your belt buckle to your chin. Just be careful that you are not hyperextending. A common mistake often is people pushing their hips too far forward, which can actually make you lean backward and stress your lower back. The squat is a simple, functional exercise that, when done properly, can strengthen your low back, glutes, and quads. The squat is a key movement that forms the foundation of normal human movement and athletic development. It is also essential for most high-intensity interval training, HIIT, sessions, as so many exercises require that we squat in one way or another. Squats might be bodyweight, barbell-weighted, single-leg, plyometric, or on an uneven surface, but getting your technique right is the first step towards getting through the session without injury and maximizing the results that you get. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.